Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back. I am here to talk about this Honeywell Turbo Force Power Plus fan. Now this is not a sponsored video. Honeywell's not paying me to do this. I got the idea to do this video because it's hot, y'all. It is hot, and a lot of us have these patios or porches that we have made, or backyard areas that we've come up with because of the shutdown. But it's still hot, especially in midday. So this fan is perfect for this patio, and if you have like a porch, a little solarium, or a little seating area off of your apartment or whatever, this would be perfect. Yeah, I thought about it because y'all know I had that tent, or I have that tent that I take around to my son's game, the portable tent. Well, I could not take this as I originally thought, because I did this in a haul video. I've already talked about this fan in a haul video, and it was for going around to my son's games, because I thought it was battery operated. Searched more, I didn't look at it, the specs good enough before I got it. I saw battery somewhere and I just got it, but it's not battery operated. It was talking about something else. So this is an electric fan, so you will need power. But when we had that backyard barbecue the other day, a lot of you may have seen it on my vlog from, I think it was this past Sunday, and me and my family had a little outdoor barbecue. It was midday and it was hot, but this little fan had enough power to cool us off. So if you're under shade, any type of shade, this is going to do perfect for you. Even if you're in the sun, you'll still feel some air, but when you're in a shaded area like I'm in now, you're in a covered patio, a little area off of your apartment or solarium, porch, or whatever, and you have some shade, this would feel so good. And it is quiet, y'all. It is quiet. Let me be quiet for a second. You probably can't hardly hear it. You cannot hardly hear it. So it's so different from those big house fans and stuff that we grew up with and everything. This is perfect. It can sit on a mounted area. It can sit on a little tabletop, on your main table, wherever you need it to sit, and get you some air, aim it towards you. It does perfectly. So let me read y'all the specs on here. It is, if you can feel it from 30 feet away, and I can attest this does go a long way. It's on the low power now. Let me turn it up, and you probably can hear that a little bit, but it's still not disturbing. It's still not disturbing. So it gives good air. It gives good air. It's 3 speeds, like I just showed you. It's quiet, and the head of it pivots 90 degrees. So it goes like this. It goes down. So it angles. You can put it at an angle comfortable for you. Let's see what else. It's already fully assembled. You don't have to do anything with it when it comes. It has a carry handle right back here. I just pick it up just like this. It has a removable grill for easy cleaning. Let's see. It's wall mountable, like I said. So this is perfect, you all. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's only like $15, $16. You can purchase it down below in the Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate, but you can use my link and order it off of Amazon. It's like $15, $16 or somewhere in there. Not expensive at all, and if you have Prime or whatever, you could probably get it tomorrow. So yeah, pick up this Honeywell fan, and it is perfect. Oh my goodness, for a day like this, it is so hot out here, but because I have my fan, I got a cool breeze. Let me turn it up. And you just angle where you need it to angle. Whew. Y'all, this feels so good. So good. It does not feel like I'm sitting in 88 degree heat. So yeah, pick yours up today. Order it today and enjoy your patio just about all day long, instead of just in the mornings, in the cool of the morning, or late in the evening. You don't have to wait. With this fan, you can sit on your patio all day. All right, so you guys be blessed. Enjoy this Honeywell fan, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.